YouTube, what's going on, guys? Listen, today we're going to be watching the most viral video of the week. I'm probably going to do that every week now. Just check out the most viral video of the week, because every once in a while, man, a YouTuber will hit and get some crazy views. I think the last viral video that I watched was Get Beams. So this week we're going to check out Yofonzz with a banger. Look at this thumbnail, guys. All right, guys, look at that thumbnail. Look at this thumbnail. He has not combed his hair since last summer. That thumbnail is hitting. I'm about to check it out. 275,000 views in 5 days. That's lit. But Fonz is a genius when it comes to this stuff, man. He's a genius when it comes to this stuff. You ain't subscribed to Fonz, you tripping. But we're gonna watch this video, man. A lot of you guys don't know, but Fonz, before he started his YouTube channel, he used to film and edit for me. We used to travel together. I'm talking about, we went to Amsterdam, to Russia, to London. We went all over the world, and he was the guy behind the camera for those vlogs. Now watching him with his own channel killing it like this, I'm super proud of him, man. I know it's gonna be a banger. So let's go ahead and watch the video. Alright, guys, so look at this. Look at the flaking here. This has got to be the most nastiest thing. All that buildup. All that buildup, guys. What do you do here? Like, I understand that this is Fonz's boy, but that's crazy. Wow. My dog. Oh my gosh. Yes. Please do shampoo his hair. Let's see what Fonz is talking about here.
Very dirty. Los let it go. Los even said that he was washing it too much. I don't really know how to take that, because I told this man, look, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and wash your hair, bro. And I know that I could have easily just cut more off, I guess.
No, you couldn't. No, you could easily not have done that. Especially if you're using like your ergos or something like that are magnetic. You're not cutting through that, bro. Like, don't put your nice clippers, your nice ergos, or your nice babeless, or your nice seniors. Don't put none of them tools through that. That's torture to your tools, and those tools have been good to you. No, that's a shampoo, bro.
Then maybe like washed it, but I wanted to show you guys just how it looked. I wanted y'all to see, you know, whenever you come across this type of situation, go ahead and wash it off. Don't.
Yeah, we ain't got it. I'm glad you did that, Fonz. But if y'all gotta be told to watch that, I don't know what to tell you. All right, let's get through this. Guys, please go check out the full video of this. The link will be in my description, because the narration is hilarious. All right, my man is shampooed, cleaned up. We are ready to start cutting.
We have gotten so much further than where you were. There's progress already. I'm going ahead and just starting off slow. Remember, you had some like areas, Los. So I'm just kind of like easing my way into figuring out what's gonna work for you as far as the length on top. I know that.
I like what Fonz is doing here, because he's taking his time. Like, he's not going straight to a number, because after it's been so long for such a long time, it's been long and it's had this build up and it's been in twists or in braids. The hair can react to the way you cut it a little differently than it might have before he grew his hair out. So Fonz is taking his time. He's testing the waters. I think he started with like a number 3 first, then a number 2, and he's just seeing how the hair reacts before he just goes full throttle and decides what length he's gonna use. So I like that he's doing that.
And it's been 10 years, Los. Let me just figure it out, all right? But don't worry, I got this. Trust me, I got this. As I'm going about it though, Los, you know, I'm thinking to myself, all right, I'm gonna go with this 1.5. I don't want to go too low, because around your corners, Los,
they
were much lighter than everything else. Way less density. So 1.5.
I thought Fonz is a beast.
By the way, Los, I'm using the Babyliss FXs. Not really my go-to anymore. I've been using the
Fonz. So just now, you see he went with the grain in the corner. That's gonna leave it like a 3 length as opposed to a 1.5 length if he would have went against the grain. So, and look how full that's looking. So it's gonna be nice once he lines it up.
Go-tos anymore. I even did an unboxing. I never released the video. Renzo was super excited. I didn't really let him experience.
Look at Renzo, bro. He is literally the child prodigy barber. He wanted, it looked like it was Christmas. He was smiling, ready to grab the clipper. Love that guy.
Because let me experience it first, son. Let me have my own fun too. You got plenty of my other clippers that I don't use. You have about $500 worth of clippers that you use on your station.
That's
but
facts.
That's that. Let's not talk about Renzo.
That's crazy. He's a toddler and he's got at least $500 worth of stuff on his station. He even got a little compressor
Right now, even though I love you, son. Even though I love you. We are just going ahead and experiencing these gammas. All right, the gammas are nice.
They're
But
nice.
the gammas were not low enough. The gammas weren't good enough to get that base as low as possible. So I went ahead and had to go an extra step and get these trimmers.
I always balled out with the trimmers. You're gonna save time that way. I feel like.
Thumb, I don't know if you noticed my thumb at a time. You know, my thumb, I'm adding a little bit of tension because, 10 years, man, sometimes, the skin falls a little bit low. So it's not as tight as it used to be. So I need to stretch the skin at times. Because, listen, a moving target, it's not going to be a target that's going to be hit. So I just want to make sure that whatever I'm working on stays still as I'm working on it. So just letting you know, Los, it's nothing personal. I just need to stretch the skin a
Bro,
little bit.
that is so facts, man. The looser your scalp gets, like the skin, it's harder to get a nice fade that way. So you gotta, Fonz is keeping it real with his client. Hold on, cause this thing looking like it's coming out blurry. Ooh. Hey, that left side was looking blurry. It was looking real blurry. All right, here we go. So he's not going against the grain against the corners. He's just in the middle there to make it match. Hold on, let's listen to what Fonz is saying here.
Laid your hair down, Los. And because of it, I want to help you out. I want to kickstart you in laying your hair down. And I go ahead and did a few pumps. Rakata, rakata. And then after that, I picked up one of the brushes. Clean brush. I would consider that brush to be a medium firm bristle brush.
The blow dryer?
And I'm just brushing it in as I'm holding the blow dryer. The blow dryer is on medium heat because I don't have time to put a do-rag on him. The foaming setting lotion plus the brush plus the blow dryer on medium heat is enough. It's enough, and you just brush it for like a minute. It'll lay it down, make sure that it's dry enough, and after that you come back with the hairspray. The hairspray is gonna just help stiffen up that whole area.
Man, that line about to be crispy, Fonz. I already know.
For you to come back and trim it up.
Edge, not trim. Yeah, very clean, nice and natural.
Now let's move on to your face. Your face was just as bad as the top. I'm not trying to talk junk now. I'm just telling you. You would tell me the same thing, bro. I'm just trying to be honest with you. That's what old friends do, right? Honest with one another. Let's fix this up. I don't want you to look like this. I want you to look like a better you. So we're gonna go ahead and fade out the sideburns. I know you told me you want to keep majority of the length, so I'm gonna preserve the beard. I'm not gonna take away from the beard. I'm gonna preserve the beard, but we still have to enhance the beard. And I don't mean color. I don't mean color. There's no color for the beard. Not making any promises for the hair though on the head, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that.
Oh, not making any promise. Here come the color police. The enhancement police are coming out. It's coming out blurry, bro. It's coming out really clean, Fonz. I'm proud of you, man. Hey, man, this the cut I get.
I don't want to drag it down as far as Nata was considering it should have gone, but then again, it's my cut, Nata. It's my cut. Stay over there, Nata. I got this.
Bro, the shape is definitely setting it off. Definitely setting it off. The razor work. Ooh. Hey, Fonz has gotten to the next level. I have watched his growth as a barber. My dog has got to the next level. Wow, bro. Yo, I got pictures of Dre and Fonz learning how to cut hair at Dre's crib. Was Dre cutting your hair, Fonz? I think Dre was cutting your hair, bro. And I was walking them through the haircut, bro, to see how good they've gotten, the both of them. Dre and Fonz. Crazy.
Beard is looking good, Lo. It's looking so good, Lo. I think that everybody that's watching this video should like this video and subscribe if they're not subscribed. I'm just saying, it's
Facts.
that good. It's that good. And after that, we're just gonna go ahead and do some detail work. Because look, why go the extra mile on this cut and not go another extra mile and do a little bit of detail?
Hey, man, just for that, man, make sure you go to the link below. Subscribe to Fonz. Okay, using the compressor. This gonna make them mad.
So I'm using this 245 compressor, the Beam Team machine, baby, with the Sean Cuts Hair card. That's not the name of it. I'm sorry, Sean, but it works. It works, yo. I honestly, in all honesty, though,
it looks really good. The way he did it, natural.
It works well. Make sure you get both. Now, after that, I go ahead and get the trimmers, and I make sure I do a little bit more detail around the vertical bars, around the edge line as a whole. Because there's times that you just need to clear out some of the color that seeped through. And after that, guys, after this little bit of detail, we're gonna go ahead and look at how Los used to look.
All right, here we go. Here we go, the before and the after. Here we go. Damn, my guy was gone. He was lost. He was homeless. Whole nother person, bro. A whole nother person. Wow. All right, guys, listen. That's my dog Yofonzz. Make sure you go to the link below, subscribe to him. That was a dope video. There's a reason why it has gone completely bonkers, completely viral. This video gonna do probably 1 million in 1 month. Let's check out the comments. He's flatlining. What do we do? Give me the clip. It's clear. We have a post. You get a sub for this. There it is. He went from let me hold $1 to how much you need. In 30 minutes, he went from you got an extra cigarette to I hit you back without land. Nothing makes a barber more happy than someone saying, you do you. Yeah, that's facts. Yo, he went from 50 to 28. That's facts. I can't lie, Fonz. This is one of the best transformation cuts you've done. I need 10 million views. That's fact. Your client came in looking like a bun. I feel like this video right here is about to get Fonz crazy subs because it was such a good video, well put together. That's a hell of a transformation. He went from where my hug at to I don't need you. Imagine him wearing a suit. He would look great. What Fonz say? It's been 10 years since I've seen Los. I felt like an all even was a no-go. What do y'all think? That's facts, bro. Facts. You changed this dude's life. Charles C is everywhere. Damn, you really saved his life. This needs to go viral. Facts. Listen, guys, go check out the video. We drop daily content on this channel. Reactions, tutorials, unboxings, vlogs, entrepreneurship in the barber industry. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow with another banger.